Alright folks, got some more sweet potato experiments I'm working on today. As promised, I picked up a couple more varieties of sweet potatoes. This one is a Hannah sweet potato. I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm imagining it's pretty similar to the other varieties of white flesh sweet potatoes. This one is a purple Stokes sweet potato. It's got purple flesh, as the name implies. And I've found in the past that the purple varieties are actually some of the sweetest ones. And then this one, at the co-op, they call these Japanese sweet potatoes, although they look pretty similar to patatas to me, so I'm really not entirely certain that it's not a patata. Just like the last time, I'm going to cut each of these in half, and then I'm going to try the half submerged in water method with one half, and putting them in some soil with the other half. One thing I found out since I did my last video, apparently using chlorinated tap water can potentially prevent these from sprouting. So I picked up some distilled water for the water method ones, and we're just going to see how this all works out. Okay, so I got my sweet potatoes prepped. As you can see, they're cut in half. I have the one half in the soil. I'm hoping these aren't too close together. And then the other halves are in these containers that I've made for them. So I'm going to fill these up with some water. And these should be about half submerged. So there you go. A little bit more water. And then I'm going to cover these with a light layer. You can see the one that started a couple days ago is over there. I haven't started to get any slips out of it yet. Some more potting soil here. Okay, and just moisten the soil down real good. And I've been trying to keep it nice and moist. Pretty much whenever I water my other plants, I water these. So I don't know, I got a little roly-poly in there. And I've been thinking, I think I'm going to try to, if I get some slips out of these, probably try to do some container gardens. Just because one of the most important things with growing sweet potatoes is you want real loose soil. And I'm afraid if I plant them in the ground that the soil is going to be a little bit too firm there. So I'm going to try to pick up some totes or something and try to get some nice soil from the garden center, and hopefully I get a nice crop of a few different varieties of sweet potatoes. I guess we'll see how this turns out. I'll keep you posted as this experiment progresses.